Dispute resolution clauses. Understanding the importance and use of dispute resolution clauses in contracts, including choice of law, jurisdiction, and forum selection clauses. Resolve disputes efficiently and effectively with clear and enforceable dispute resolution clauses. What are the key benefits of including a dispute resolution clause in a contract? Welcome to this video on Find the Right Solutions for Your Contract Disputes. Unlock the power of dispute resolution clauses. Dispute resolution clauses are an essential part of any contract, and in this video, we will discuss the importance and use of dispute resolution clauses in contracts, including choice of law, jurisdiction, and forum selection clauses. We will also talk about how to resolve disputes efficiently and effectively with clear and enforceable dispute resolution clauses. One of the most important issues related to dispute resolution clauses in contracts is understanding their importance. A well-drafted dispute resolution clause can help to avoid costly and time-consuming litigation and facilitate a more efficient resolution of disputes. By including a dispute resolution clause in your contract, you can ensure that any potential disputes are handled fairly and reasonably. When drafting a dispute resolution clause, it is important to consider the choice of law. This clause specifies which law will govern the interpretation and enforcement of the contract. It is important to carefully consider which law is most appropriate for your contract, taking into account factors such as the location of the parties, the subject matter of the contract, and any applicable regulations. Another important clause to consider is jurisdiction. A jurisdiction clause specifies which courts will have jurisdiction to hear any disputes that may arise under the contract. Parties should carefully consider which courts are most appropriate for their contract, taking into account factors such as the location of the parties and any applicable regulations. The forum selection clause is another crucial clause in a dispute resolution clause. It specifies where any disputes will be heard, such as a specific court or arbitration tribunal. Parties should carefully consider the advantages and disadvantages of different forums and choose a forum that is most likely to result in a fair and efficient resolution of any disputes. Dispute resolution clauses should also be drafted in a clear and specific manner to avoid any ambiguity or confusion. They should be tailored to the specific needs of the contract and the parties involved. Dispute resolution clauses should also be drafted in a way that is enforceable under applicable law. Parties should work with legal counsel to ensure that their dispute resolution clauses comply with any relevant regulations and are enforceable in the relevant jurisdiction. In conclusion, including a dispute resolution clause in your contract can help parties manage and resolve potential disputes in a timely and cost-effective manner. By addressing the key issues of choice of law, jurisdiction, forum selection, clarity and specificity, and enforceability, parties can effectively use dispute resolution clauses in contracts to manage and resolve potential disputes. Remember to carefully consider the needs of the contract and the parties involved when drafting dispute resolution clauses and seek legal advice as necessary to ensure that they are clear, specific, and enforceable. Thank you for watching.